Well, good morning, campers. It's afternoon, 12:36. I've been around and fed all the chickens, sorted them out, fed the birds, done what I got to do. It's could be the 19th, could be the 20th, something like that. Still here in Mid Wales. Got about 2 days food left, so I'm gonna have to go for a mooch. But I think there's a place I can get some gas around here as well. Not far, so I think I'll go there. Yeah, I'm not used to this shopping. I used to get people to do it for me. I fucking hate shopping. Yeah, so that's about it. That's my first video for today. Whether I'll join them up and something else will be here, but have a look outside. It's a beautiful sunny day. Show you, look at that. It's lovely, isn't it? You see the sun, the shadow. There, look at the house. All around. Had a couple of chaps come and visit me yesterday. Quite surprised I was in somebody's garden and they knocked on the door. But when he cleared from where that Christmas tree is, not that one, the one at the top, past bench, across to where that yellow bucket is, that used to be the boundary, and all this has been reclaimed. It was all wood. So if you look on, well, you can look on Google Maps if you knew where I was, but I am not there. I'm in the middle of a fucking wood. See, you lucky people, you got me. You got the privilege of watching me eat a dunked Garibaldi. Well, I dunk them two at a time because I'm that sort of bloke. Look, I'll show you. Take 2 Garibaldis. Dunk. Hold 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mmm. Should let you look inside my mouth, shouldn't I? But I'm not as fucking crude as that. I'll leave that to Tim. Socks with no sandals. That right, is it? Not socks with no sandals. Socks with sandals. I'm fucking losing the plot, you know. Well, here we are. We're at the bottom of the place. And the birds, the pigeons, just fed and watered them. Fed and watered all of them more. And what a lovely pink rose. Isn't it? And then go a little wander about. Looks like it's a bit bigger than my fucking garden. Last time we come down, we put the stickers on his camper van. His motorhome is in for repair. And the thing is, if you park here, that's where he parks his motorhome. But if you park up on here, you can't get any signal, internet or nothing. And then if you park, you can't get no telly or nothing here. And if you come around the front here and park at the front, you can get the ITV channels but nothing else, and still no internet. But as you can see, I'm down over there behind that tree, right in the bottom, and the garden goes down to about, I don't know, 25 yards past that container. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely here. Well, here's the GSX 1400 he's doing. He's got an 1000S fairing he's going to put on it. It'll all be painted, but I quite like the line of that. It was quite nice. This is the workshop, and this is where he got some of his bikes. Said to me, you take one out. He said, if you want. So I don't really fancy the 1600 BM. Might go out that Triumph. Quite like that Triumph. But around here in the lanes, I quite like this 400 Gaspana. Quite fancy that as well. But that's my favourite. It's like a fucking jukebox with all the lights on. But I don't quite like the painting, but it's done well. But that's a 1300, I know, 2300 Triumph. But the thing is, get it out, I don't have to, got electric doors now, but I have to move everything. But yeah, that is nice, but we do like this BMW really. He said, but if you fancy nipping up home, like he's on me back the wheelchair, he said, why would you I'd take the Triumph? He said, well, it's pennies, because it's the doctor, like, what's his name? That Italian racer, I can't think what his fucking name is now. But he was called the doctor, wasn't he? Well, Penny's a nurse, so that's hers really. But he said that's really quick over the ground, especially around these lanes. So it might be that one. We'll see. Pass around there to the house, and then coming down this way, I just fucking setting the alarm. It's got one of these bloody laser things inside. So when you move, once you get, it will go beep when I get away from it. And then you can't even get on that fucking concrete. Once you get onto that concrete or near the front doors, the alarm's got and it all fucking lights up. That's the flat upstairs with the balcony. And I don't know what he's got around here. Oh, that's his trike. Yeah, his trike's there, and Penny's trike's in at the back. But yeah, as you can see, it's a long way wandering about. He said he didn't mind me videoing inside here, but not give anybody a sort of clue where it is really. Apparently they've done all this t'other day. He dug 32. It was potatoes last time I come. They dug 32 wheelbarrows of stone out of there and took it down the bottom, and put 3 ton of topsoil back in. You can see there's a water point there. Down there where that hose is, there's a water point down there, and there's power over here. But that's the gate down the bottom, and from that gate to the other gate is 300 yards. But this is where Larry will sit and have his morning coffee. And unless it's absolutely pissing down rain, he comes out every morning in the summer. So when he sits here, that's his view. Out there, lovely. No, I didn't take the bag, and that bag's on my wheel still. And when I'm here, and I got my door open, that's my view. That's busy, there's 2 cars gone by, isn't it? Yeah. He's a scruffy bugger leaving that hose out, don't he? I have to go and fold that up because that annoy me. Yeah, but that's it. Look at the sun. It's coming in. Beautiful it is. Absolutely stunning. But here's another car. Like a fucking motorway, isn't it? Well, I've just been out of the shower. I'm back here. It's, I don't know what time it is. 17:39. Take me tablets, so I should live through the night with any luck. And I'm going to settle down there and watch the cycling, and then I'm going to do a live. So I don't know what order this is going to go out in, whether it'll even go out tonight. And I'll speak to you all later. Remember, stay classy, no fighting, love you all. Bye bye. Remember, and use skins.